She tell me I'm smarter than she thought. 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 She said she's starting to understand me. She want fuck. Starting to understand me. She want fuck. She's starting to understand me. She want fuck. Let me tell you what should I do. She tell me she's starting to understand me. She want fuck. She's starting to understand me. She want fuck. She's starting to understand me. She want fuck. Yo, tell me what should I do. She say I'm smarter than she thought. Tell me what should I got. People wanna talk, yeah. Talk. I'll be like, now you trying to understand me. She says she's trying to understand me. She want fuck. People wanna talk like they know me. Sing some boy, I sing plenty. She say I'm smarter than she thought. Let me tell you that, let me tell you about that. She say, she's trying to understand me. Now she want me talk, yeah, you know that's me. People keep talking like they really know me. Number one, number two, number three. Life is so easy, yeah, you know that's me. People wanna know everything about me. I tell her, where I live in. She go like, no you're not, you smart. No you're not, you smart. She said, no you're not, you smart. No you're not, you smart. She said, no you're not, you smart. No you're not, you smart. She said, no you're not, you smart. No you're not, you smart. She said, I think I said to understand you. I think I said to understand you. I think I said to understand you. Let me tell you that, what do you want to do, what I do. I think I said to understand you. I think I said to understand you. She said, I'm smarter than she thought. Boy, what you know about that? Yo, I have to tell you everything your girl tell me. Because all your niggas wanna diss me. Then your niggas have no respect for me. I have to make all your girls respect me. Life is so crazy, yeah, that's me. Who you wanna disrespect? When you see me on the street, you better salute me. Boy, I got a paycheck. I got checks on checks, I get thousands. People keep talking, yeah, you know I am the one. People keep talking like they know where I'm from. Message just send, cause you know that's me. Yo, I gotta make all your niggas respect me, man. Your niggas ain't got no respect for me, yo. I gotta make all you niggas respect me, man. Your niggas always try to disrespect me. You got respect for big man,